Yeah, so good evening all. We'll start. Okay, so we'll start our discussion of today's question paper. Okay, we'll start our discussion of today's question paper. That is okay, 2025 June 26. Okay, exam question paper we have. Yeah, we will see. Mhm. Okay, so I will just discuss the questions. Okay, so we have. I think the screen is visible. Yeah, it's visible. So we have, okay. So we have, yeah. So firstly, we have our first topic, that's the teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude. So we have, from teaching aptitude, we have Bloom's taxonomy. Question from Bloom's taxonomy is the, okay. And then we have a question from Swayamprabha. Okay, then we have question from what we can say MOOC. Okay, question from MOOC is asked. Then question from, okay, these are some of the questions that has been asked. So there is a question from Bloom's taxonomy. There is a question from Swayamprabha. There is question from what we can say as MOOC. There is question from Bloom's taxonomy. There is question from what we can say adult learning. Okay, adult learning. Okay, so these are the important topic from which we have question from the topic teaching aptitude. Then coming to the next topic, that the research aptitude. When it comes to research aptitude, we have the basic as expected question. We have question from types of research. Okay, we have question from, okay, we have question from types of research. Okay, we have question from types of research. Yeah, then we have question from what we can say standard deviation. Okay, we have question from standard deviation. Then we have question from hypothesis, and we have question from plagiarism. Okay, so we have, question from, okay, we have question from types of research, then we have question from standard deviations, then we have question from hypothesis, then we have question from plagiarism. Okay, we have question from plagiarism. So these are some of the topics. So we have types of research, standard deviation, hypothesis, plagiarism. Okay, some of the topics from which we have questions. Okay, some of the topics from which we have questions. Then coming to the next one, we have the communication part. The communication topic. Yeah, so when it comes to communication, we have again some interesting question from movies, like movies of Satyajit Ray, then some serials of Doordarshan. Okay, then we have question regarding Dada Sahib Phalke Award. Then we have question regarding models of communication. Okay, so we have serial chronological order of serials. Then we have Dada Sahib Phalke Award related questions are the, okay, Dada Sahib Phalke Award related questions are the. Then we have different models of communication. Okay, different models of communication. So these are some of the topics we have. Then we have question from logical reasoning. Okay, question from logical reasoning. Okay, logical reasoning, we have question from, yeah, fallacy as expected. We have question from fallacy. We have question from Indian logic. We have question from square of opposition. Okay, yeah, these are the topics from which we have question. We have also question from what we can say syllogism related questions were also there. Okay, so these are the questions when it comes to logical reasoning. We have question from fallacies. We have question from Indian logic. We have question from square of opposition, and we have question from syllogism. Okay, we have question from syllogism. Okay, we have question from syllogism. This will be the way. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Then we have mathematical reasoning. Okay, mathematical reasoning. Again, similar types of question. We have question from number series. Then we have question from coding and decoding. Okay, we have question from coding and decoding. We have question from what we can say profit-based questions are the profit-based questions are the then we have interest-based questions will be the okay. So we will be having number series, we'll be having coding and decoding, we'll be having profit-based, we'll be having interest-based question, then we'll be having profit-based, interest-based, then we have time and distance related questions are the okay, time and distance related questions are the so we have questions from okay, so we have question from number series, we have question from coding and decoding, we have question from profit based question, we have interest based question, and we have question based on time and distance. Okay, we have question based on time and distance. Okay, time and distance. So this is number series, coding and decoding, profit based, interest based, time and distance. Then moving to the next question, data interpretation as easy percentage based questions were asked. Okay, data interpretation easy percentage based questions were asked. Then we have coming to the ICT. ICT we have as expected memory order of memories. The memory order was asked. Then question based on HTTP was asked. Then question based on HTML was asked. Then we have a question based on what we can say LAN, okay, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network sort of questions were asked. So these are the some of the questions in the ICT. So we have memory order based, okay, we have memory order based question, then we have HTTP based questions, then we have HTML based question, then we have LAN, MAN, WAN based questions. Okay, MAN, WAN based question. Then moving to the next one, that is the environment. When it comes to environment, we have wastewater treatment based questions. Okay, wastewater treatment based questions further. Then question based on sustainable development goals. Then questions based on noise pollution. Then question based on what we can say carbon dioxide, greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. Okay, so when it comes to environment, we have wastewater treatment related question, we have SDG based question, when we have noise pollution based question, when we have CO2 carbon dioxide related questions were also the, and coming to the final aspect, we have the higher education related question. So when it comes to higher education, okay, when it comes to higher education, we have question based on NEP, then we have question based of university chronology, then we have UGC based questions, okay, university chronology, then we have UGC based question, then we have different commissions related questions. Okay, we have different commissions related questions. So we have NEP related question, then we have university chronology related question, then we have UGC based question, then we have different commissions. So these are the topics from which we have different question: NEP related question, university chronology related question, UGC based questions, and we have the commissions, different commissions. So these are the different topics. I will be just revising. Okay, so from teaching aptitude, we have Bloom's taxonomy, Swayamprabha, MOOC related, adult learning based question. Then from it, when it comes to research aptitude, we have different types of research, standard deviation, hypothesis, plagiarism, etc. When it comes to communication, we have Satyajit Ray, movies, serials, Dada Sahib Phalke Award. Then when it comes to logical reasoning, we have fallacies, Indian logic, square of opposition, syllogism. Then when it comes to maths, we have number series, coding and decoding, profit based. Okay, we have number series, coding and decoding, profit based, interest based, and we have time and distance based questions also there. When it comes to higher education, we have NEP based questions are there, NEP based questions are there, university chronology based questions are there. Then we'll be having UGC based question. Okay, so we will be having NEP, university chronology based question, UGC based question, and then we have commission based question. Then percentage related question, data, ICT, memory order, HTTP, HTML, LAN, MAN, WAN, etc. type of question. Then environment, we have wastewater treatment related question. Then we have question based on noise pollution. Then we have a question based of carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide. So these are the different topics from which we have a lot of questions that has been asked, okay, in today's exam. So I hope it's clear. Okay, you can get more videos discussing all these topics in our YouTube channel, Aifer Education. And if you want to get that video, you can use our channel, and make sure you subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel. So I hope this is, if you have any more questions to add, you can post it in the comment section. Okay, so that's it. We'll be winding up. Thank you.